Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a clothing try-on haul. All of these items I'm going to share with you are from the website Noracora, and not only do they have super cute and stylish clothing, they have casual, they have dressed up clothing pieces, but they are super affordable. So I wanted to share these with you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see more, then just keep watching. First off is this kind of like zipper up jacket slash sweater, and it's that houndstooth, if I'm saying that correctly, pattern. I'm obsessed with it. This is super cute. Now, a lot of these items I show you, I'm gonna have paired with these kind of basic faux leather leggings. They're just like stretchy leggings, but black pants or anything would go with this top. I'm gonna get close up so you can see it. It's really comfortable, and I just have like a black tank top underneath. I mean, you could wear it, you know, completely unzippered, but I think it looks really cute zippered up. As you can see right here, there's like this faux leather strip to make it look like it has pockets. It doesn't have pockets, but it's just a nice little cute added detail. And then we've got the black sleeves. I'll kind of just turn around quickly so you can see what it looks like. This is just adorable. I would wear this dressed up 100% with some boots. Now, what's different about this top too is that the arm part is just like a basic shirt. You can probably see like the ribbing detail. So it's stretchy, it's comfortable. It is a thinner material, so if you're in the colder parts of the country, which I am right now, you're definitely going to want to put a jacket over this because it is lightweight, but it's so adorable. Okay, so next I have two blazers to share with you. I am obsessed with these blazers, and I honestly don't even remember the last time I wore a blazer, so this is the first one that I picked up. I love the pattern of it, and what's really cool about this blazer is it's almost like an illusion because it looks like it's a thick blazer, but it's actually a really thin, nice material. So that's kind of the pattern that we have going on. We have the nice button details all over, and then we have these kind of flaps to make it look like it has pockets. And what's nice too is that the sleeves have these nice buttons as well. It's really comfortable. I'll kind of get back so you can see what it looks like from the back. And all of these items, by the way, are a size small, and they fit really nice. They're not too tight. So this is the first blazer, and then this is the same blazer, but it's actually just a darker patterned color. It's got the same details. It's got the nice collared V-neck. Now, I have a tank top underneath this, but you could get away without wearing a tank top. I just have one on, so it's definitely personal preference. We've got the nice button details all over, and then it buttons here, it buttons there. We've got the nice detail on the sleeves. But yeah, this is a really nice way to just dress up an outfit. And then I have these, you know, black pants, black leggings with some boots or heels I think would look super cute. And then it comes like kind of like mid butt length on me, but I just love the way it looks and feels. And then this top right here is another one of my favorites from this haul. I'll get close up so you can see. Now, the only thing is I actually have a bra, and you can see it right here. So if I was actually going somewhere, I would wear a strapless bra. It just depends on, you know, what you want to do. If you don't care, I mean, it's not like it's a big deal if you can see your black bra strap, but I would probably just maybe recommend to wear a strapless bra. But I love the detail. I love the sheer and then the polka dots right here. I just think it's so pretty. I think this is actually perfect for the holidays. Again, I've got it paired with black pants. You could wear these kind of tops with jeans. You could even wear this with a nice skirt like tucked in. And then the sleeves right here are like that. And then that's what the back looks like. I'm obsessed with this top. I think it is adorable, and it's actually pretty stretchy. It's not too tight, but I do like the way that it looks. It's very comfortable. Next is this pink sweater. This is the only sweater in this haul, but you guys, I'm obsessed. You know I love pearls, hence the fact why I always wear pearl earrings, but it's just got these pearls all over the sweater, and this is a nice lightweight sweater. It's not too heavy. I'll kind of back up so you can see the detail. It doesn't have any pearls on the back. It's just the front. I don't think it has any. No, it doesn't have any on the back. It just has pearls on the front. Turn around so you can kind of see like what it looks like from the back. But all of these tops on me are hitting kind of like my mid butt area, so it's a perfect length. Again, this would look cute with black pants, black leggings, jeans, even a nice skirt. You could really pair this with a lot of different items, and you could wear this sweater casually, but I would totally wear this dressed up. I think it is such a cute sweater. Switch it up to some casual items. They have a lot of cute long sleeve and short sleeve, kind of just casual shirts with like either graphic design or phrases on them. So I saw this and I was like, yep, this definitely is something I need to get. It says 1776, We the People. It doesn't need to be rewritten. It needs to be reread. I think that's what it says. Yes. And I just think this rings so true right now. I know I've mentioned it in a couple other like videos. I think I had a hat from Amazon that said "We the People are pissed off." So I'm not going to go into any more detail. I think this kind of summarizes what's going on in our country and maybe the world, but it's really comfortable besides the point. They had a couple other different colors, but I just love to wear black stuff, especially like casually. I just love black tops. So this is actually a medium. I went with a medium because I did want it to be a little bit bigger and looser. So it is longer. It does cover my entire butt. But if you don't want it to be, you know, a little bit oversized, just go with your normal size. I just went with one size bigger, but I'm obsessed. It's super comfortable. And then next is this long sleeve black dress right here. I'm obsessed with it. Now, if I back up, you guys can see I have this paired with boots. I would put stockings on as well if I was actually going out in public, but I love wearing these kind of like long sleeve dresses with boots. I just think it looks super cute. That's what the back looks like, and I like the length too because it's not too short by any means. It goes like right above the knees, so I'm going to get close up so you guys can see the detail. Now, if you remember the blazer, it's those same buttons, and they go all the way up to kind of like your elbow, so I love the detail right here, and I'll get close up so you can see. It's kind of like a little bit ribbed, and then if we go back, you can see just on this side, the button detail goes all the way down. So I just think it's really cute. It's a simple black dress, but these gold button details just make it. It's stretchy, it's comfortable, and this would be perfect for any holiday parties coming up. I think I might actually wear this for maybe like New Year's Eve or some kind of holiday party. So yeah, this is a really nice flattering dress, I think, for anybody. So that is it for this try-on clothing haul. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of these items. Are you thinking of checking out Noracora? Where are your favorite places to shop this time of year for clothing? I'd be curious to find out, but anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.